Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Digital Academy. In this class, we will learn why binary numbers are known as base 2 numbers. So let's start. Now let's first discuss on why decimal number are known as base 10 numbers. To show that, let's take a number. For example, 369. Now rewrite it as 300 plus 60 plus 9. If we take 3, 6 and 9 common from 300, 60 and 9 respectively, then it will becomes 3 into 100 plus 6 into 10 plus 9 into 1, which can be rewrite in the powers of tens as 3 into 10 to the power 2 plus 6 into 10 to the power 1 plus 9 into 10 to the power 0. Similarly, if we take a fractional number, for example 3.142, which can be rewrite as 3 plus 0.1 plus 0.04 plus 0.002. If we take 3, 1, 4 and 2 common from 3, 0.1, 0.04 and 0.002 respectively, then it will becomes 3 into 1 plus 1 into 0.1 plus 4 into 0.01 plus 2 into 0.001, which can be rewrite in the powers of tens as 3 into 10 to the power 1 plus 1 into 10 to the power minus 1 plus 4 into 10 to the power minus 2 plus 2 into 10 to the power minus 3, which proves that all the decimal numbers are base 10 numbers. Therefore, as decimal numbers have 10 digits, so they are known as base 10 numbers. Similarly, binary numbers have 2 bits. Therefore, they are known as base 2 numbers. To show that, let's take a binary number. For example, 111. Since all the binary bits are at its maximum value, and we have seen in the previous video, the link of that video is in the description, that whenever all the bits are at its maximum value, then it is the largest or last possible number, and the formula of largest or last possible number is 2 to the power n minus 1, where n is the number of bits. And since we have 3 bits, therefore according to the formula, the largest or last number will be 2 to the power 3 minus 1 equals to 8 minus 1, which is equals to 7. Therefore, if we write it in the power of 2's as we wrote decimal number in the power of tens, then 111 will become 1 into 2 to the power 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power 0, which will becomes 1 into 4 plus 1 into 2 plus 1, which is equals to 4 plus 2 plus 1 equals to 7, which is the largest possible number by using 3 bits, as just we calculated before. Therefore, it proves that all the integer binary numbers are base 2 numbers. And if we take a fractional number, for example 0.625, and convert it into the binary number, then it will become 0.101. If you do not know how I convert this fractional number into binary, then you can watch my other video where I explained this conversion. The link of that video is in the description. Now, if we write this fractional binary number into negative power of 2's, as we wrote decimal fractional number in the negative power of tens, then it will become 1 into 2 to the power minus 1 plus 0 into 2 to the power minus 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power minus 3, which is equals to 0.5 plus 0 plus 0.125 equals to 0.625, which proves that the binary numbers are base 2 numbers. So that's all for this class. Thank you.